Welcome to the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree. This is your root chakra healing message for Mondays. This week we are going to take a couple of cards. The first one is visualization, and the mantra for it is, I make mental pictures of my goals that are simple and to the point. Again, that's I make mental pictures of my goals that are simple and to the point. And in relation to this message, to elevate it, we are going to take a card representative of the Earth's heart chakra. We are pulling the card from the Mother Mary Oracle, and we have Our Lady of Holy Fire. To live is to burn, to grow, and to ignite the heart and soul with passionate devotion to higher purpose. I ask you to honor me, even when it seems like what you love is burning away, or what you have believed in is failing you. I ask you to remain open to me, even if you are in shock, denial, or feel betrayed or broken. To live with an open heart is for the brave souls that love me and are capable of loving the world. I bring you holy fire. It burns through me as a spiritual passion and ignites now in you also, my child. You are to receive this fire now and set the heart of the world aflame. When we don't have spiritual passion in our heart, we fall in love with empty substitutes. We might yearn for a fantasy relationship that never quite manifests, or does for a short time before revealing itself to be less than substantial. Or perhaps we yearn for a great job with a great income, only to find that even if we achieve this, there is still a space in our hearts that is not satisfied by what we have attained. To feel truly connected to our own divine destiny, we have to be willing to allow our hearts to burn for something greater than our own individual needs and wants. It's not comfortable to do this, but it is fulfilling in a way that cannot be attained by any other method. The holy fire in our hearts is what makes us want to grow spiritually. We cannot help but be intrigued by it, feel drawn to it, compelled to work at it and keep going even when it gets tough or seems downright impossible. It is what makes us want to contribute something helpful to the world, to become empowered and truthful in how we live, to want to live with goodwill and a genuine desire that all beings become happy and free. That holy fire in the heart of what fuels us when we are in the dark, challenging times of our lives, when we force ourselves through the strength of our inner will to reach towards the divine for help, rather than collapsing in defeat or drowning in feelings of rejection or abandonment. And we are going to do a healing process this week, an affirmation. A living flame burns before you, bright, powerful, and intense. You may hear it crackling or feel its heat on your skin, but it will not harm you. Within the flame, the face of a woman appears, with her hands raised in blessings. Through the fire, she speaks to you and says that she's going to help you find your deepest desires and deepest fulfillment. She asks you to trust her. Place your hands at your heart, and if you can trust her, imagine that the fire within her beautiful essence is within your heart now too, radiating through your entire body, all the way up and out through the top of your head and all the way down and out through the soles of your feet. You are a living flame filled with holy light. Allow yourself to stay and burn in this sacred fire with her as it cleanses and protects you. When you are ready, finish with this healing affirmation. Our Lady of Holy Fire, Mother Mary, who loves me unconditionally, bless me with your powerful, compassionate truth. May my heart burn with that truth, and may it set the world free. Thank you for joining me today.